Thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. This is ZPS8, Personal and Professional Development. We offer certified NLP trainings and one-to-one personal strategy. My name's Elizabeth Pritchard. You've only got one life, so why not make it wonderful? Here are the playlists that you'll find on this channel. Getting started on my personal transformation. New ways for you to think about your situation. That's a playlist where I talk about the different services that we offer. Then there's NLP client video testimonials. Do beliefs hold you back? That's the title of another playlist which covers beliefs. Then there's NLP and language. Lots of detail about individual NLP language patterns. A number of people have said that they find this channel useful as revision after they've already done an NLP practitioner course. Then there's How to Make Life Wonderful, Elizabeth's Diary, which contains many hints and tips about having a wonderful life, and NLP exercises which you can do yourself. As a bonus, at the top right of my photograph, it says Free Guide Wonderful Life, and you can click on that link. This type of education lasts a lifetime. Please watch a video or two and subscribe if you enjoy the content.